Hello everyone, welcome to MIT ACSC. Our team. We are presenting box plot presentation. We help you some best information. So let's start to the presentation. Introduction to box plot. It is a type of chart that depicts a group of numerical data through their quartiles. It is a simple way to visualize the shape of our data. It makes comparing characteristics of data between categories very easy. Definitions. Minimum score. The lowest score, excluding outliers, shown at the end of the left whisker. Lower quartile. 25% of scores fall below the lower quartile value, also known as the first quartile. Upper quartile. 75% of the scores fall below the upper quartile value, also known as the third quartile. Thus, 25% of data are above this value. Maximum score. The highest score, excluding outliers, shown at the end of the right whisker. Whiskers. The upper and lower whiskers represent scores outside the middle 50%, i.e., the lower 25% of scores and the upper 25% of scores. The interquartile range. The box plot shows the middle 50% of scores, i.e., the range between the 25th and 75th percentile. How to compare box plots. Step 1. Compare the medians of box plots. Compare the respective medians of each box plot. If the median line of a box plot lies outside of the box of a comparison box plot, then there is likely to be a difference between the two groups. Step 2. Compare the interquartile ranges and whiskers of box plots. Compare the interquartile ranges, that is, the box lengths, to examine how the data is dispersed between each sample. The longer the box, the more dispersed the data. The smaller, the less dispersed the data. Step 3. Look for potential outliers. When reviewing a box plot, an outlier is defined as a data point that is located outside the whiskers of the box plot. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Shows 5-point summary and outliers. Easily compares 2 or more data sets. Handles extremely large data sets easily. Disadvantages. Not as visually appealing as other graphs. Exact values not retained. Thanks for the watching.